Hello and welcome to our video on career paths in investment banking. Investment banking is a highly competitive field that offers a wide range of opportunities for professionals with diverse skill sets and interests. In this video, we will be exploring the different roles within investment banking, the skills and qualifications required for each, and the key responsibilities of each role. So, if you're considering a career in investment banking, this video is for you. Investment banker. The investment banker is a highly visible role in investment banking and is often seen as the face of the company. Investment bankers are responsible for identifying and pursuing new business opportunities, such as mergers and acquisitions, and structuring and executing deals. They must have strong communication and interpersonal skills, as well as a deep understanding of financial markets and the ability to analyze complex financial data. To become an investment banker, you typically need a bachelor's degree in finance, economics, or a related field, and a minimum of 3 to 5 years of experience in the financial industry. Equity research analyst. The equity research analyst plays a critical role in investment banking by providing clients with insights and recommendations on various companies and industries. They analyze financial data, market trends, and company performance to create reports and presentations that inform investment decisions. Equity research analysts must have strong analytical and research skills, as well as an in-depth understanding of financial statements and financial modeling. A bachelor's degree in finance, economics, or a related field is typically required, and a minimum of 2 to 3 years of experience in the financial industry is preferred. Sales and trading. Sales and trading professionals play a key role in executing investment decisions for clients. They use their knowledge of financial markets to buy and sell securities, manage risk, and maximize returns. Sales and trading professionals must have a deep understanding of financial markets, excellent communication skills, and the ability to work under pressure. A bachelor's degree in finance, economics, or a related field is typically required, and a minimum of 2 to 3 years of experience in the financial industry is preferred. Corporate finance. Corporate finance professionals help companies raise capital and manage financial risks. They advise clients on financing options, such as issuing bonds or equity, and help clients make informed financial decisions. Corporate finance professionals must have strong analytical and financial modeling skills, as well as an understanding of financial markets and regulations. A bachelor's degree in finance, economics, or a related field is typically required, and a minimum of 2 to 3 years of experience in the financial industry is preferred. Investment banking offers a wide range of opportunities for professionals with diverse skill sets and interests. Whether you're interested in pursuing a career as an investment banker, equity research analyst, sales and trading professional, or corporate finance professional, it's important to have a deep understanding of financial markets and the ability to analyze complex financial data. With hard work and dedication, a career in investment banking can be both rewarding and fulfilling. Thank you for watching this video on career paths in investment banking. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on finance and investment.